Welcome back. Here we are learning with a video tutorial on APA 7th edition referencing and creating hanging references in Microsoft Word. This video will guide you through the process of correctly citing your sources and formatting your references in accordance with APA style guidelines. Let's begin with an introduction to APA 7th edition. APA, American Psychological Association, style is commonly used in the social sciences and provides guidelines for citing sources and formatting research papers. The 7th edition includes some updates and changes that you need to be aware of. In-text citations are crucial for indicating the source of your information within your document. When referencing, remember to include the author's last name and the publication year in parentheses. While citing two authors, separate them with the ampersand in the middle and then mention the year, and for citations more than two authors, add italicized it all followed by the year just like in Harvard style. Add page numbers only when specified. The reference page lists all the sources you've cited in your paper. It should be titled References and placed at the end of your document. Each reference entry should have a hanging indent. Let's now demonstrate how to create hanging references in Microsoft Word. First, select all your reference entries on your reference page. Click and drag your cursor over all the references. Right-click your mouse and find the paragraph group in the drop-down menu. Under the Indents and Spacing tab, locate the Special section and choose Hanging from the By drop-down menu. Set the value to 0.5 inches or 1.27 centimeters, as recommended by APA. Click OK to apply the hanging indent to your references. Now, your reference entries should have a hanging indent. Once you've created hanging references in Word, your reference page should look like this. Remember to arrange your references in alphabetical order by the author's last name. Thank you for watching this tutorial on APA 7th edition referencing and creating hanging references in Microsoft Word. Tune in for more such videos and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck!